Alright, what up y'all? So it's part two. I got the car lifted up, so where we at? Car is still overheating. We are at 243 right now. Thermostat is new, coolant is filled up. I got under the car, so yeah, we can get back up, but the fan on this side is working. AC fan on the passenger side is working. Car is still overheating, so you know it shouldn't be nowhere near that high. But so I guess my next thought is maybe the water pump is either blocked or not pumping. So I guess water pump is gonna be the next thing because the fans are working. So both fans are coming on. Thermostat is new. I just put that in like an hour or so ago. Only thing I'm thinking next is water pump. So I guess that'll be next up. All right, so we are back after I let the car cool off and I checked. It seems like I didn't have a lot of coolant in here, so I ended up adding more coolant, leaving the cap off, cranking it up, letting it run for a minute. So I'm assuming I just got a lot of air in the system. So squeeze right here, you can kind of see where the level is. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Yeah, so it's not as full as I thought it was, so I'm just trying to let it run, get some of this stuff out. I think that's why it was still kind of overheating. So I'm crank it back up, still got the cap off, let it run for a minute. The reservoir is not full now, so I probably could add a little bit more right now and let it run again and see what we got. All right, what up? So we are back. It is the next day. I'm gonna squeeze this hose real quick, see if you can see where the water is. So yeah, got it full of water. Cap is on. We're gonna crank this up and we should be good. Should get up to running temperature and stay at around that 220 range. So yeah, I'll be back in a second once this warms up. All right, what up y'all? So I'm back. I kind of forgot to record something else, so it's been a few days. The car is running. I ended up replacing that radiator cap because this is the part I used. Where we at? Yeah, RC87. So I ended up replacing the coolant reservoir cap because I don't think it was holding pressure. So like you can squeeze the radiator hoses, and let me try to open this. But yeah, you could squeeze the radiator hoses and they weren't tight. It just felt, everything still felt kind of loose or whatever. So yeah, now you know it's got a little bit of push to it. It's only been running for like 10 minutes or so. But new radiator cap, so I'm hoping that's holding pressure and keeping pressure in the system, letting everything kind of flow how it should. But yeah, that's where we at. The fans were kicking on, so I had the car lifted up earlier in the video. But yeah, I think the fans are good. I think the water pump is good. It's just lack of pressure and all of that was throwing it off, and that air in the system. So I think we good now. But if anything else pops up, I will let y'all know. Also, channel update. I got a new car on the way. I'm hoping it'll be here today. I'm not really sure. It might be today is Saturday. I'm hoping it's here today. If not, it'll be here Monday. But yeah, stick around. New car. This is staying, Impala is staying. I still got to get that fixed. But in the meantime, I have something else to drive. Hopefully a few more videos to make. So yeah, that's that. And I will catch y'all whenever the new car gets here.